video, I went all the way to Delta to bring you this delicious and beautiful owo soup. This soup is made from starch. It's commonly eaten among the Urhobos, okpes and other tribes from Delta. It's a soup that is cooked on special occasions like traditional marriages, weddings and even burials. Let me not waste much of your time. Let's get into the kitchen right about now. For today's cooking, we'll need some dry fish, meat, palm oil, native salt, some seasoning cubes, prawns, the big and the small, starch, grounded peppers. Okay, some dry garri. Wash your meat and cook it until it is soft in a pot. After that, wash your fish with salt and hot water in a bowl. So after cooking your meat, pour some reasonable amount of water into the already cooked meat. This will serve as a base for the cooking of owo soup. So add your blended pepper into the water on fire, then stir together, cover it on and allow it to boil. So after that, let's prepare our thickener, which is garri. Into a bowl, add your desired quantity of garri, add some water into this and remove the upper part of it. Sieve out the shafts. You can sieve at least 2 times. So after removing the shaft, sieving out the garri water, then it's time to transfer into our boiling soup on fire. Okay, so gently pour in your garri and stir everything to dissolve together. After that, add your already washed fish. And so after this, then add your palm oil. There's a special palm oil we use in preparing this soup in Delta State, but since I don't have access to it, I just have to make use of what I have at home. After adding the palm oil, just let everything boil together, after which you cover up, open again when everything is boiling together. We should be open to try different dishes from other places. Then add your seasoning cubes. For this soup I used 2. Then after that, add your blended crayfish. Then stir together and let everything boil together. So this is our special native salt I'm using. This is different from potash. In my place, okpe, we call it umeri. We call it ugweri. This is it. Dissolve it in some water, then pour in your dissolved umeri into the boiling soup or fire. But immediately you add this umeri, do not be far away from the soup because it picks up almost immediately and it wants to just pour away. Like I earlier said, you can see it's almost splashy. So do not be far away. Stir continuously until you are ready to add in your starch. This soup is such a favorite to Delta, especially Urhobos and okpe, Itsekiri, Ijo. The next thing to add at this point is our starch. So gently pour your dissolved starch into the soup. Okay, so this is the soup. If you find out that it's too thick, you can decide to add water to loosen it up. Okay, this soup is so beautiful. Just try to cook it at your own leisure time when you have access to all the ingredients that I used to prepare this soup. Okay, and our soup is ready, just like every other Nigerian soup that goes well with almost any swallow. This soup goes well with garri, semo, yam, plantain, whatever, but the best pair for it is starch, which I'm about to show you. So into a bowl, dissolve your desired amount of starch that you want to make, but do not overwater it, okay, because it may end up like a camel. So after dissolving, then transfer your smooth base into a pot, add some palm oil and stir continuously the way you will stir your semo, amala or any other swallow. Starch is so easy to make. It's so simple as ABC. So as always guys, if you watch to this time, I really appreciate you. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any interesting video as new video drops every week. I don't take a lot for granted. I really appreciate you. Until next week when I come again with another interesting and beautiful video. God bless you and